Alright everybody, welcome back, and today's going to be a very interesting review. Now, as I mentioned when I started coming back somewhat regular full-time with the Junkion reviews, I was going to take the Funimation approach and go into the new stuff first and then go back and fill in the gaps. So today we're going to fill the gaps and we're going to do Bruticus and the Combaticons and all that fun stuff. And the thing about with the Combaticons was that they had like something very interesting going on. Like most of them for the Combiner Wars were essentially retools and redecos. And in the case of Blastoff, as you can see here, when they first released them, they used the Firefly, Fireflight / Quickslinger mold, which thematically makes more sense as a combat vehicle, but you know, people wanted their space shuttles, so that wouldn't be released till like 2 years later. And while they did that, it's like I actually managed to acquire some custom blasts off, and I was gonna like do the Bruticus and then lead into those, which would then lead into like the quote-unquote customs that you have seen in the past. It's like on this channel. So yeah, for now we're going to fill in the gaps, it's like with Bruticus, and while this one is mostly stock, as you can see already, I did add a few upgrades, at least to Onslaught here, which we'll get into like with the review later. And one of the things you also notice is the Shockwave on top, which sort of combines with Blastoff in a way. One of the things about him was he basically forms the gun for Bruticus, which is a callback to a G1 episode, Revenge of Bruticus. But there was a third-party add-on, I guess you could call it, from Matrix Workshop here. This is the M-33A, which basically gives all the Combaticons extra guns, which will combine for a Bruticus gun. There's also the M-33A, which gives it bigger guns, which we will see that in a future video. So yeah, let's look at the individual Combaticons now, and yeah, let's have some fun. Alright, stay tuned.